Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell digital products on Gumroad in 2025. Alright, so once you're logged on to gumroad.com, please make sure you either have an account so you can make use of their login option, or you create an account via the sign up option by clicking on start selling. But before we do any of that, let's go ahead and look at a few things about Gumroad. So with Gumroad, you can simply make sure you sell your digital products on their website. You could sell your digital products and earn. That's why they say here you can go from zero to $1. If you scroll a bit more and you want to sell some of your great ideas, you could go with the Gumroad way. Start small, learn quickly, get better together, and everything is through the Gumroad way. Um, So you could, instead of selling a book, you could sell a blog post, which is more exciting. You could make your own road. So let's go ahead and hop in. So your first step to selling digital products on Gumroad is to simply log into the website. So go ahead and click on the login option here. And once you've clicked on login, you could simply go ahead and log in your account. Or if you click on start selling, you could simply register your account. Alright, so I'm already signed into Gumroad. So once you've clicked on that option, it says here, we're here to help you get paid for your work. So we're going to go ahead and create our first digital product. You can go about this on your dashboard by clicking on create your first product, or you could simply go to the products menu and go ahead and create it. But let's go ahead and create our first product. So once you've clicked on this, you're taken to the menu where you can publish your first product. Um, We have products, course or tutorial. That's if you're looking to sell a course or a tutorial. We have ebooks, memberships, bundles, services, where someone can buy you coffee. So we're going to go ahead and click on digital products. This is what we're looking for. So the next step is to click on next, which is to customize your digital product. If it was course or tutorial, you click on next to customize as well. So since we're here to sell a digital product, we're going to click on digital product. So click on next. You're going to enter the name of the product. So you could simply give it like maybe a PDF. Let's say fitness workouts. And then next thing you do is click on customize. And then you're going to add a price to your product. So let's select our local currency or your local currency. If you're in the UK, you can make use of the Great British Pound. Anywhere in Europe, the Euro, China, Yen. We have rupees for India and Hong Kong dollars as well, Canadian dollars, and New Zealand. So we're going to go with the US dollar and then enter a price for your product. So how much do you guys think uh, a workout or fitness digital product would be worth? I'll go with $10. I don't know. I'm pretty fit. So next is to click on customize. Now, welcome to my fitness workout preview for my digital product. If you have a custom domain, you could enter your custom domain name here. So let's say you have a website for your workout um, product. You could simply enter the domain there, and your URL is also here as well. Now, the thing with the URL is you could create a custom uh, text for your URL. So you could just put, let's say, lazy to fit. Yeah, sounds good. And then next, you could go ahead and insert a description. So that's basically what we're doing here. We're gonna describe your product. Let's go ahead and describe this product. All right, so my description is it helps you go from zero to hero, get fit in the best possible time. So that's basically what my fitness workouts. I don't know if I should call it a PDF. Let's call it a PDF since it's a digital product. My fitness workout is gonna give. So that's the description. That's the URL. I don't have a custom domain. Okay, now, so here's the interesting thing. The images you're uploading as your cover should be horizontal, at least 180 by 720 and 72 dots per inch. Okay, okay. let's go ahead and click on upload. So if you have a thumbnail, you could upload a thumbnail for this. If you have a cover photo, you could go ahead and upload a cover photo for it. So I don't have a cover photo, so we're going to be making use of Canva to design a fitness workout cover photo. So let's head to Canva to do that. So once you're on Canva, make sure you're logged into the platform. If you do not have an account on Canva, you could simply register and create an account on Canva in order to enjoy their templates, their AI designs, and any designs. All right, so at the create section on Canva, your top left, click on create. And now remember, it's 120, 12080 by 720. So we're going to be going to click on custom size. We're going to click on custom size. Width and height. So that's 1280 by 720, I believe. Okay. Um, Zoom virtual background. So these are the suggested profiles, YouTube thumbnails. So let's go ahead and click on YouTube thumbnail. Or you could click on create new design. So let's go and create new design. All right. So the page is opened up here and we're going to have to design, our cover photo. So let's go ahead and start with a template that is being offered by Canva. So you click on next, you add a text. So open the text tab and add a text to your design or use the keyboard shortcut T, upload your own images and share and download. So download, share to social media. All right, got it. Let's go ahead and make use of a template. Let's search for fitness, something around fitness or anything related to your digital products. So if you're selling, let's say, a course on physics, you could simply search for, things that are related to physics, templates that are related to physics. Oh, okay. And we got one here. Fitness brochure, 1 of 10. We have this, be your best, unleash your inner beast. Okay, let's go ahead and unleash our inner beast. All you need to do is simply edit the text. If you want, you could make use of someone else's template, seeing as it's a template on Canva. I'm going to go ahead and rotate this guy. I think I found it. Flip horizontal. Yeah. Okay. And then for some of the colors, you could maybe edit the colors out, to fit your profile. So let's go ahead and select red instead. And for this color here in the background, you can go ahead with teal or something. And then for the text, you could go ahead, like I said before, you go ahead and enter text. So it says here, unleash your inner beast. Let's use something that isn't generic, something that's not a template. Let's go with, all right, let's go get active and join the fitness revolution. Calories. Just drag this to fit. Boom. Get active, burn some calories. So the background color is a bit dull. Let's go with ash. Yeah, this is much better. All right, so once you're done designing your Canva or your cover photo on Canva, you could make use of the share option to download it onto your device. Now let's head back to Gumroad. All right, so once you're on Gumroad, remember we're at the cover page, so upload images or videos. So I'm going to be uploading from my computer files. So click on this and head over to downloads. So downloads. All right, get active. Click on open. All right, so it's loading in your cover photo. So now what I'm going to do is when you scroll to the bottom where it says product info, call to action, you could select your call to action. So your call to action is basically kind of like what you want the digital product to say when people see it, buy this. So they're going to be buying it. And summary, you'll get a digital workout plan. So you'll get a digital workout plan when you buy this digital product. And then you could go ahead and add additional details. So the pricing is set to $10. Allow customers to pay what they want. Yeah, yeah, actually. Okay. And you can offer variants of the product. So I don't have any variant of this. This is all I got. So limit product sales, allow customers to choose a quantity, public show the number of sales on your product page, mark product as e-publication for VAT purposes, and specify a refund policy for this product. Yeah, I'm not going to be doing any of that. So you could go ahead and click on content next. You can now enter the content you want to sell, upload your files, or start typing. So you could go ahead and upload by clicking on this upload files option and then selecting computer files and then, or Dropbox or embedded media. You go ahead and drop that here. That's your digital product. And then click on save changes or publish and continue. So let's just go ahead and save the changes first and then click on publish and continue. As you can see, I've not added any content yet. So it's publishing my product. And now all I need to do is simply copy my URL and post anywhere and it's done. Now, for payouts, that's for when you're getting your payment options. All you need to do is head to settings. I forgot to mention this. Head to settings and on the settings tab, once it opens, your email is shown. Head over to where we have payments. So click on the payments option in Gumroad settings. All right. And the next question you ask is where you're located, if you have your government issued ID. So make sure you do not close this tab, otherwise you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Go ahead and, tick these off. I'm signing up as a business. It's registered in my country in the above. I have proof of residency within this country. So click on save. Make sure you enter your local, your country. Uh, then the next thing you're going to have to do is select your payment options. If you'd like to be receiving your money on a weekly basis, monthly, every 3 days. And then when you scroll down, you can go ahead and enter your bank account details, your minimum payouts, threshold, your address, phone number, and you can go ahead and connect your PayPal to this platform. Alright guys, so this is how you can go ahead and sell a digital product on Gumroad. Make sure you have your digital product set up. And all you need to do is after making up your changes and adding a cover photo or a thumbnail, you go ahead and share the link to your digital product. Every link that is shared, every link that is used that has your details in it is going to be paid into your Gumroad account. So guys, that's how you can go about all of this. Comment down below if you have a question and you can give an answer. Thank you.